We'll guide you through how to warp image in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because the warp feature in Photopea helps them creatively reshape images, fix perspective issues, and create unique visual effects without expensive software. Begin by preparing the image you want to warp in Photopea, and make sure your device is connected to the internet so you can access the Photopea website properly. Open your favorite browser on a laptop, computer, or smartphone by double-clicking the browser shortcut icon on your screen. Once the browser opens, move your mouse to the search box and click inside it. When the cursor appears, type Photopea and press Enter to begin the search process. From the search results, select 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 at the top of the page. After clicking it, you will be directed to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, click the Open from Computer option to import your prepared image. Browse through your folders to locate the image you want to edit. Click the image file once, and then press the Open button. When the editing workspace and your image appear, you are ready to begin editing. To compare the image before and after editing, first duplicate your photo layer. Right-click the photo layer and select the Duplicate Layer option. Make sure the duplicated layer is selected before continuing. Next, go to the Edit menu, choose Transform, and then select the Warp option. You can now begin applying the warp effect to the photo. Use the points located around the edges of the image to bend and reshape the photo. Adjust the curves slowly according to your imagination while carefully observing every change that appears on the screen. When you are satisfied with the result, click the checkmark button at the top to save the warp changes. To compare the before and after result, hide the duplicate layer and examine the differences carefully. Before exporting, you can zoom in and inspect details to ensure the warped areas look smooth and natural. If needed, repeat the warp process by reopening the warp option and making adjustments until the photo appears realistic. Taking your time during each step helps prevent unrealistic distortions and allows you to create a final result that matches the style or effect you imagined for the image.